Alright, the P38 and the Luger actually performed quite well. I was very happy with the last 9 rounds out of each of them. No jams, nothing. Especially out of that Luger with the issues that I had before. But nothing that second go around, so I'm pretty happy about that. Now I've got the freaking allergies really suck. Kicking the camera and I've got the RUGER 22 now. I got her here. Got one magazine. That's not a good first round. I don't know why. Because this magazine didn't go all the way in. There we go. Now we're locked and loaded. And another 10, see how she does, same spot. I've got the middle of that thing shot out. Well, that's not too bad. Go check it out, I guess, and see what it looks like up closer. So actually, maybe it can be seen on the first, before I started shooting this target. I don't know if we can see it here. It is all the way zoomed in. Let me try to steady her here. Right there, on my finger, is the head of a nail that I had right in the center of that cross that's right in the middle, just like that. And one of them hit it, which is cool. I guess that 22 drives nails. Nail driver, jack driver. But that was just by quantity, I guess. Maybe someday I can do a trick shot like that. Okay, I'm right at about 7 or 8 yards here. And I'm just going to stand here by the camera and just shoot these circles, top left, right, bottom left. Just do a little rotation, I guess, and see how it does. Alright, gotta reload. Alright, I'll try another go around here and see what happens. Two mags isn't much. I'm gonna get some new mags. 20 rounds goes fast. Alright, we'll see here what we can do. Got 20 more ready to go. Guess we can see most of them. Take her out just a little bit. Got a few outside the orange and a few in the bulls, but I think I'm gonna put a fresh target up and move it back to maybe 20 yards and see what I can do from a rest there. Okay, well, I hope this works. We got it just a few feet from the target here. I'm gonna move her back and see if I can't hit that nail. That dot in the middle there is another nail head. We'll see from about 20. Be luck by then. Well, looks like we got pretty close. Not too bad. Okay, I'm going to adjust my aim just a tiny bit. We'll zoom in a little more since all of those are in the orange. And see if I can't hit that nail. I just barely ticked it on the top right, that one that's real close, about the 230 position from the nail head. It just barely nicked it. But I'll see what I can do. Well, it got pretty close. One of them nicked it anyways, but only one outside the orange for all that rapid fire too at 20 yards about. right there. Alright, we're on a little bit of a hill, but I'm going to come up close again, maybe like 7 yards, and then just kind of go back and forth between the two diamonds. Well, that was fun. Put the 22 through his paces. I like it. I like it a lot.